My body is a cage that keeps me from dancing with the one I love, but my mind holds the key. My body is a cage that keeps me from dancing with the one I love, but my mind holds the key. I'm standing on a stage of fear and self-doubt. It's a hollow play, but they'll clap anyway. My body is a cage that keeps me from dancing with the one I love, but my mind holds the key. You're standing next to me. My mind holds the key. I'm living in an age that calls darkness light. Though my language is dead, still the shapes fill my head. I'm living in an age whose name I don't know. Though the fear keeps me moving, still my heart beats so slow. My body is a cage that keeps me from dancing with the one I love, but my mind holds the key. You're standing next to me. My mind holds the key. My body is a cage. We take what we're given. Just because you've forgotten, that doesn't mean you're forgiven. I'm living in an age that screams my name at night, but when I get to the doorway, there's no one inside. My body is a cage that keeps me from dancing with the one I love, but my mind holds the key. You're standing next to me. My mind holds the key. Set my spirit free. Set my spirit free. Set my body free. I have the flu and I'm not leaving the house all that much. Understimulated is how I feel. Hope you're alright wherever you are. Take care, y'all.